Guess where we are today? A&W restaurant. Let's go.
Chicken tender, 3 piece chicken tender. Then we have the cheese. The cheese. Cheese curds. Cheese curds. Regular, large. Regular. All right. Any more drink? We have French fries, and we also have chili cheese fries. We got a pop-pop burger, pop-pop beer burger. We have 2 fish sliders. It's a decent, nice hamburger. What's A&W stand for, Lucas? Alan, Roy, and Frank Wright. A&W Root Beer Restaurant. There is about 1,000 in a row, 500 in America. And this is closest to Los Angeles. We can forget the cheers. Cheers. This is good. Lucas, I like this one. This one is better than In-N-Out French fry. The cheese is actually milk, nacho cheese. It's melted nacho cheese. Very fresh. I recommend this one for everyone. 10 out of 10. Let's try the cheese. Let's try the fish slider. Let's see what's inside of this. Mayonnaise, pickle, codfish, and maybe possibly some dinner bun. This is comparable and better than other fish fillet sandwich. You can tell this is not this is really fresh codfish, deep fried codfish. Crispy. It's very crispy. Ice cream float. Wow. Fresh made root beer in-house every day. Comes with a frozen mug.
You get to keep the mug?
Yeah, you get to keep the mug, of course.
It's free?
I pay for it and you get it for free because I pay for it. You get all this food free because I pay for it.
I pay for it.
Let's try the French fries. This is good. No, you gotta dip this, Lucas. Dip this.
Where's ketchup?
This is better than ketchup. Ranch, buttermilk ranch. Buttermilk ranch with This is actually very good. It's been 10 minutes out, more than 10 minutes out, and it's still very fresh and warm. The French fry comes with pre-seasoned, and if you dip it with a sauce, it brings you an extra kick of flavor. What do you think about the restaurant, Lucas? No thoughts. Okay.
I think it tastes very woodberry.
Woodbury. Hey, Woodbury. You know there's a college called Woodbury University. I hope you didn't take it from that word. There's a Woodbury College. And the mascot of A&W is the bear. His name is Woody. Woody the bear. Like wood beer? Woody the bear. Well, to summarize everything, we have pop-up hamburger, chili french fry, regular french fry, fish slider, cod slider, wood beer float, wood beer, and strawberry shake. I will give it 2 thumbs up.
I give it 2 thumbs up.
Thank you for watching the video.
Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye.